Heddiw, da ni mynd I siarad am, today we're going to talk about roedd, was, roedd. Fyddwch chi'n cofio, you remember, cofio, fyddwch chi'n cofio, yn uned 6 a 7, in unit 6 and 7, wnaethon ni siarad am, we talked about, wnaethon ni siarad am mae. Wnaethon ni siarad am mae. Mae o, he is. Mae hi, she is. Cofiwch, yn y de, remember, in the south, people use mae e for he is. In the north, in the Gogledd, people use mae o for he is. Mae o, mae hi. Yeah? He is, she is. Mae o'n hapus. He is happy. Mae hi'n hwyr. She is late. Mae hi'n oer. She is cold. Yeah? Mae, in the present. Yn y presennol, rwan, now. Okay? Ond yn y gorffennol, in the past, roedd. Roedd hi'n hapus. She was happy. Roedd o'n hwyr. He was late. Yeah? Roedd. For the past. Roedd hi'n drist. She was sad. Okay? Roedd. Be am y cwestiynau? What about questions? Da chi'n cofio yn uned 6 a 7, you remember in unit 6 and 7, there was the form ydy for questions. Is he, ydy o? Is she, ydy hi? Okay. Cwestiynau yn y gorffennol, questions in the past, have also another form, oedd. Yeah? Oedd. Felly, roedd gennym ni, ydy hi? Ydy hi'n hapus? Is she happy? Oedd hi'n hapus? Was she happy? Oedd o'n hwyr? Was he late? Oedd o'n oer? Was he cold? Oedd hi'n drist? Was she sad? Roedd hi'n drist? She was sad. Roedd o'n oer? He was cold. Roedd o'n hwyr? He was late. Okay. Felly, roedd o, roedd hi, he was, she was. Oedd o, oedd hi, was he, was she. Be am y negyddol? What about the negative? Da chi'n cofio yn y presennol, in the present, we use dydy o. Dydy hi. Dydy o ddim. He isn't. Dydy o ddim yn mynd. He isn't going. Dydy o ddim yn mynd. For the negative in the past, we use doedd o ddim yn mynd. Doedd o ddim. Doedd o ddim yn oer. He wasn't cold. Doedd hi ddim yn drist. She wasn't sad. Doedd hi ddim yn drist. She wasn't sad. Roedd hi'n hapus. She was happy. Oedd o'n hwyr. Was he late? Oedd o'n hwyr. What about the answers? He was. She wasn't. Oedd. He was. Nac oedd. He wasn't. Oedd o'n hwyr. Was he late? Oedd. Yes, he was. Oedd hi'n drist? Was she sad? Nac oedd. No, she wasn't.